Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. We're going to keep it short and sweet, and we're going to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 back to factory settings. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Settings app. Ours is down here, but yours might be by swiping up. It might be somewhere in this section here, or you can swipe down from the top, upper right corner, go to the right and click on the settings wheel there. Now we're going to first come down to Accounts and go to Accounts again and find your Gmail account, and this is the main one. You want to tap on that, hit remove account and remove. You always want to sign out of your Gmail. If you don't, it will be a challenge for the next person who uses this phone, so make sure you sign out of your Gmail. I would encourage you to go through this list of your other applications as well and make sure you sign out of those too. I've signed out of all the main important ones, so we're going to keep moving from here. Hit the back button now, back button again, and we're going to swipe up and go to General Management and then tap on Reset, and then go to the fourth option which says Factory Data Reset, and then swipe all the way up and then tap on Reset. You're going to do your code to lock the phone or unlock the phone, hit Delete All. And that's it. At this point, it will begin erasing all your data off the phone, and then it will set up the phone like a brand new phone. So don't touch it, just let it sit. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes, and after that, you should be ready to go to pass this phone along to the next owner. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and also follow us on social media at HG Tech Videos. We're on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Take care and have a good one.